Hello, my name is Sonia Sotomayor. Hola, yo soy juez Sonia Sotomayor, and this is my picture book, Turning Pages, Pasando, Páginas. It's an illustrated picture book about my life and the influence reading and books had on it. At every stage of my life, books provided me with comfort, security, adventure, and a sense of place in the world. Turning Pages, my life story. That's me. Do you know who that is?
Your grandma.
My grandma, exactly. My abuelita loved me. My grandmother just loved me. Every time I saw her, she gave me these big hugs and she made me feel so safe. Reading has been the guiding light of my understanding the world around me. It's also what's provide the foundation for knowing what you can become. My story is a story about books, of poems and comics, of law and mystery, of science and science fiction, written both in English and in Spanish. Even though I was born and grew up in New York City, Español, Spanish, was the language we spoke at home, the language of Puerto Rico, the island where my family came from. Books were what guided me into knowing what might be in store for me later in my life. It gave me the possibilities of how I could live and who I could become. These are the 3 courts that I've been on. I hope that every book everyone reads leads them to become more involved participants in our society. I very much don't believe that anybody can live their life being a bystander, just looking on. That's what books did for me. They excited me. They started me thinking about the world and what place I wanted to have in the world. And so for me, this is a book to show kids how I lived my life and hope they will live theirs through reading.
Thank you.